Hello my lovelies and welcome back to my channel. So today is a bit different because I wanted to test with you and for you the new care kit from Pandora, which contains a cleaning solution to clean your bracelet. So first of all, I'm going to present you what's inside this box, and then I'm going to start by cleaning those bracelets and some rings. Some are from Pandora, some are not. And I'm also going to clean a full charm bracelet just to see if it works. But actually we received it this morning at my store, and my manager tested it on a defective ring from a customer that was really tarnished and like just disgusting and it worked so well, but I wanted to test it myself. So when you open the box, it comes with like an instruction manual, as well as this little pot and a polishing cloth, and I think there's like a mini brush. So what you're supposed to do is dip your jewelry inside, let it sit for 2 minutes, then with the brush just brush slightly every one of your jewelry, then rinse it out. And then this polishing cloth is made of two different coats. The white one is to clean silver, to polish silver, and the pink one is all about gold. It can be for two tones, rose gold and also real gold, as well as Pandora shine. So I'm really curious. There's a manual if you want to read it more properly. To be quite honest, I don't really like this brush. I think I'm going to use, you know, the brush that was given in the former care kit. So this is what it looks like when it's open, and you have this little like container, and you're supposed to put your jewelry inside. So I'm going to try with you guys. I'm just going to put my rings first here, and then dip here and just wait for 2 minutes. I just remember that I haven't showed you like a before picture of these rings, but yeah, it's okay, we'll do it for the bracelet. And also it says that this product is made to gently yet effectively clean Pandora jewelry. It says to let it sit for 2 minutes, but I let it sit for about 5 just to have the best results. And yeah, this is how the packaging looks like. It retails for 15 euros in France, so it may be like $20 or $12 in the US, I'm not sure. And so first of all, I'm going to give it a go with this brush and just brush every ring with it. So I'm going to take one of them one by one and take this brush here and just clean it again. To be quite honest, I feel like 15 euros is kind of a good pricing, but this brush is just terrible. I'm just going to brush this one with this brush, then switch to my nice fluffy pink brush from the former care kit. Okay, this one is not from Pandora, it's from Thomas Sabo, which is one like my second favorite jewelry brand. Okay, let's do it like this. Oops. Okay, so I'm going to use this one instead. And I remember when we as sales associate were told about this kit, we were like, 15 euros for only like the solution, nobody would want it and stuff like that. And just today I sold around 6 of this. So the fact that Pandora sells like a product, I think it's good, and it's going to make it even more popular. But they also sell with the solution, you know, they sell like a polishing cloth just by its own, and the clasp opener. And the clasp opener is 10 euros, the cloth is 5. So I'm not sure people would be interested, since with the like the former care kits, the clasp opener and everything that came with it was like 15 euros. But yeah, it's Pandora, they try to make more money. And my engagement ring, which is, I feel like it's like one of the prettiest rings from Pandora. It's big and chunky and it sparkles a lot. I love it. And you can wear it like upside down, like this, or like this, which is a good alternative. And this is my pinky ring from Thomas Abo. I love wearing pinky rings. I feel like it gives you a nice style. And you know, like girls in Japan, they almost all wear rings on their pinky, which is not that popular, I feel like, in Western countries and Europe and like in the United States. Okay, so now I'm going to rinse them out in clean water and then show you the result. Okay, I just cleaned them with clean water. Then I'm going to just let them dry to absorb the moisture. Okay, now they're all dried. I'm going to start by polishing each one of them with the white part here, which is not that practical because it's too done. So and also because I'm so sorry for the background noise. I had to do the laundry, so what you hear is the noise of my washing machine. And also all my windows are open because, you know, it's so hot here in France. Yesterday we had like 42 degrees Celsius, so it was terrible. I almost like passed out while I was working, and I had to ask for a break because it was so hot, and you know, just it felt really weird, and I was also really tired. Oh, you guys, look, it's becoming like black here. Oh, it's really interesting. And yeah, so this one is not a Pandora, but it's a present from my cousin, and it's like a 3-part ring, and I love it so much. It represents like a clover, and I love that you can stack it just like that. Okay, so let's give a closer look. Oh my gosh, it is so shiny. I can't believe. It's really pretty. It became dull because I use a lot of hand cream, and I feel like it's more shiny than when you use, you know, dish soap. Also, dish soap is kind of annoying to use. Like, look at the silver inside. It looks like a mirror. It's amazing. This one as well. And yeah, no, it's so pretty. And yeah, dish soap is hard to use because like you have to put a lot and you have to rub a lot, and it hurts and it takes a lot of time. So I feel like this product can be like a time saver. And when my cousin gave me this ring, like the clover one, it was like black. It was really tarnished, and now it's really shiny. So yeah, I'm really happy with the result of the rings. Now I'm going to be cleaning the bracelets. I'm going to put this up like here. So yeah, I have those bracelets that I don't use at the moment. I have this bangle, and as you can see, it's becoming a little yellow. It's because of the light. Then I have this bangle, which is, yeah, a bit dull as well. It's not as sparkly. If I compare, yeah, can you see the difference? It's really amazing. This one as well, which is a bit black here, oxidized. And this one is my first ever bracelet I got, so it's kind of dull as well. So I'll do it again. I'm going to put everything inside. Just remember to open the clasp when you want to clean your bracelet, because you have to like clean the inside of the clasp as well. So yeah, here we go. I'm not sure if the bangle would fit. Kind of. Okay. I think I'm going to do it in two parts, because otherwise I'm going to damage the bracelets. So I'm first going to put like the snake chains, and then I'm going to clean those two here. Okay, I just let it sit for about 6 to 7 minutes. I'm going to rinse that out as well and come back to you for the result. I also added 2 more bracelets, snake chain bracelet, just to give them an extra shine. So now I'm going to be adding the bangles. Okay, just like that. And this is the result, you guys. I feel like it's a lot more shiny. It's not as good as the first day, but it's going to shine more, especially like in the sparkly CZ. It gives a lot of shine to the CZs, but I feel like you won't be able to get like your first day bracelets. But I really like this new cleaner, just because, you know, I hated like rubbing each charm with this and dish soap. It hurts my hands. So yeah, again, hanging this cloth, the white one, rubbing. Let's see if it's black. Yeah, it's black as well. I finished cleaning and polishing the bangles, and as you can see, it's less yellowish than before. It's really just clean silver, and this one is much more sparkly as well. So now I'm just going to put all my charms inside. I'm not going to show them individually because there are a few pieces that I want to show you in a separate video, and then I'm going to give you like my review and overall my impressions of this kit, and if you should get it or not. Okay, you guys, just repeating the same process. Clean each charm, rub each charm, put it in a bowl of clean water, and you're done. Okay guys, now that I have finished dipping and rubbing each of my charms, I just wanted to give you a quick review and my thoughts about this new kit. So first of all, the good points are that, first of all, it smells good. It doesn't smell like a harsh chemical. It kind of smells like dish soap, so I'm not sure, maybe they have put like the same components of dish soaps. Also, it's practical and easy to use. You just have to put everything inside, and maybe next time I try to put like the whole bracelet inside just to gain more time. Also, you can really see that it gives a lot of shine and sparkles. Like the silver looks definitely like better than before. It's really shiny. And the bad points would be for me that the brush that comes with it looks really cheap, like really cheap, just really fine, and it looks like it could break like anytime. Also, you have to be careful because it spills everywhere. Like I'm going to show you, I have cleaned like a part of my jewelry, not all of them, but you can see it's definitely like halfway through. So you have to be careful to not spill it. Like when you store it, just store it like this way. Just be careful, do not like store it like this. Also, the biggest like downside of this product is that the jar is not big enough. So as you may have noticed earlier, I couldn't fit my bangles inside, and even if it was like size 17 or size 2, it doesn't fit. So it's kind of a bit of a shame, but overall I feel like it's a good product. And about the pricing, so I told you it was 15 euros. I'm not sure how much it will be in your countries, but you know, pricing really depends on like what you want to, how much you want to pay for your jewelry. Like 15 euros may be a big amount for some people and maybe cheap for other ones, so I'm not going to go like further about that. So it really just depends of you and your budget, but I feel like it's like for any Pandora stuff you also pay the brand. So of course if you were to buy it like for like in another brand, it would cost like less, but it's Pandora, so it's a bit higher. But I feel like 15 euros is kind of is okay. Also, I just wanted to show you my rose gold beer. It's so much shinier, and this one as well. So I'm really happy about that. It took me kind of a long time, but yeah, so this is my review of this new kit. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please tell me if you want to get it or not, and thank you for watching my video. I'll see you next time. Bye guys.